All right, we're back in the AI Copy Lab. Thanks a lot. Hit the subscribe button. What we're going to do now is the PS. At the end of every sales page, there or email, really, if that where you're trying to promote something, there needs to be some reiteration, like a PS. Me personally, I always gravitate to the PS when I read an email or a sales page because I want to see what the fuss is all about on the sales letter. So and there are a number of ways that PSs can really change the trajectory of what you're doing on a sales page or in an email. They can reinforce the main benefit. Like imagine the time and money. You're basically just restating the crux of the everything you said previously. You can also remind them about a limited time offer, like create urgency, like I had talked about in a previous episode. You can also share a testimonial in a PS where you give a success story from a customer and really it gives that social proof that you're looking for and really that your prospect is looking for too. They want to know that what they're doing, the purchase they're going to make is something they're not going to regret, right? Same with a bonus offer and risk reversal. If they have objections and you give them a money back guarantee in the PS, they're going to feel like they're really going to be able to go back and if they have sticker shock or they just change their mind, they feel like there's an out. They have something that they can go back to and get their money back. So you put that in a PS and you're in good shape. And then finally, just reinforce that call to action in your PS. So PSs are really powerful. You want to put them in an email or at the end of a sales page or even in something like a Facebook ad. It's always good to have a PS. So let's take a look at possible PS statements where we have a promotional email with the ultimate traffic solution. That's a fictional product that I came up with for this video, for this episode. All right. So I'm asking for a promotional email PS statement where I say, imagine the time and money you'll save with my fictional product, the ultimate traffic solution. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your website's traffic and achieve more sales than you ever thought possible. So I'm asking ChatGPT here to give me 10 alternate statements. All right. So I didn't really like what I wrote. I thought it was just kind of blah. So it's giving me 10 alternate versions. All right. So let's see, think of the significant, let's do this one. Let's copy and paste. We'll go back to my Word doc. All right. And we're going to go under here and we're going to have some fun with this statement that we're going to use in a PS. Think of the significant time and financial benefits okay. Think of significant, that's too many syllables, right? How about massive? Okay, massive instead of significant. We just saved 3 syllables, all right? Syllables, if there's too many, it's a turnoff. So how about instead of don't overlook, let's say don't miss this. And golden opportunity, too cliche. How about just opportunity, right? It's pretty basic. We don't want to get too wordy in the PS, all right? And your wildest sales expectations, I'm going to take sales right out of there. And okay, so there it is. Think of the massive time and financial benefits that this has to offer. So all we've done, again, in the AI Copy Lab, we aren't reinventing the wheel here. We're just revising, making a few tweaks here and there to what ChatGPT gave us here, all right? And we moved it over and just did a few tweaks, and now it is our own, right? We did not copy and paste and then send it on its way. We made a few tweaks, and that's really what we need to do whenever we are working with ChatGPT. It's something that we want to make our own. We want to humanize this stuff, okay? So that's the PS. And this is the AI Copy Lab. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos. I'll see you next time.